Hello, I'm Mohammed. I'm the Integration Support Engineer here at Mamo, and today I'm going to show you how to install and configure our WooCommerce plugin in under 5 minutes. First, I start off by going to my WordPress admin portal. Then I navigate to plugins. As we can see, Mamo is not yet in our list of plugins because we haven't installed it yet. I'm going to go ahead and add a new plugin. But before I do so, I need to download my plugin from my Mamo dashboard. You go to your Mamo dashboard, then you go down to developer. Scroll down, and you're gonna see WooCommerce in our list of extensions. Just simply download it from there. Then you can go back to your admin portal. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna upload the zip that you just downloaded from your Mamo dashboard onto your WordPress admin and click install now. After installing your plugin, you can simply activate it by pressing activate plugin. And now Mamo is in my list of plugins. I can go ahead and go to WooCommerce, then settings, then navigate to payments, and this is where we're gonna see Mamo in our list of payment methods. But by default, it is disabled because I need to finish setting it up. These are my configurations. So I have my business name, which is the name that of my business that will appear. And the display name, this is the name of the payment method. Sandbox, which is to enable our sandbox environment for testing purposes. The environment URL, which is the URL of our environment. Tabby, which is our buy now pay later option that we offer to our premium and ultra customers. The payment pop-up, because we currently have two models. Either the customer will be redirected to a payments page, or the payment details will show in a pop-up. And debug, this is simply to enable and disable logs. First, I'm gonna fill in my business name as a chocolate shop. And my payment method name, the display name will be pay with your card via Mamo. I can go ahead and save my changes. After saving my changes, I can go ahead and go back to payments and enable Mamo. After enabling Mamo, simply again save your changes. And now that my settings are saved, Mamo should be in my list of payment methods. To test this out, I have my chocolate shop open right here, and I'm gonna add a small chocolate box to my cart. After adding it, I'm gonna go to my cart. I'm gonna proceed to checkout. And this is my checkout experience. I have my payment method here, which is pay with your card via Mamo, and I'm gonna check out now. After clicking on checkout, the pop-up showed up because I chose the pop-up model. I can simply enter a test card number that I have with a default expiry date and place my order. After a successful payment, I will be redirected to my summary page to see what I just ordered. And as we can see here, this is my order summary. Now that I have everything set up on Sandbox, I'm good to go, and I can simply switch back to live. I do so by going to Manage, and I enable my live mode. When you want to enable your live mode, you need to enter your API key right here. To get your API key, simply go again to your Mamo dashboard, scroll up, and you're gonna find it here under Developer. You can click copy, and simply go back and paste your API key here. And after you paste your API key, don't forget to save your changes, and you should be good to go. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us via any of our support portals.